you'll see me trying on, and I styled it all in one. Hey, sweetie fam, welcome back to my channel. I am Forever Patra Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, welcome on in. If you have not been here before, come on over and join the sweetie fam. And to do that, you would need to go down to the subscribe button, click the bell, and that's turn on your post notifications, because I drop videos every Tuesday and Thursdays at 4 p.m. That's right, 4 p.m. But the reason why you need to click the bell by turning your post notifications is because I drop bonus content and it be crazy, okay? Crazy. Here on this channel, I create content regarding curvy, children's, and mommy me fashion, sneakers, and luxury lifestyle. So if you love all that, this is the place for you. Now, I do have another channel called Normalize, being black, why show the day in the life of me being a black mom, black wife, and amazing black woman. If you're interested in that, which I know you are, that information is in the description as well. Y'all, that is a tongue twister, okay? And I have to say that every video. So as I told you, I was going to do a styling video of the Truly Curvy Boutique. I purchased 3 complete outfits, 3 shirts and 3 bottoms, and they were actually 3 matching sets from Truly Curvy Boutique, and that information will be in the description, as well as the pretty much unbagging. It wasn't in a box, it was in a bag, unbagging, and the review of each item, the quality, just everything that I love. If I didn't like anything, I definitely said it. That video will be in the description, so go check that video out. But I did not do a try on haul, okay? So this is a try on slash styling. So I tried everything on and I also style it. So you won't see 2 separate, you won't see a try on and a styling. You'll see me trying on, and I styled it all in one, each particular outfit. So I'm gonna go right ahead and jump right into this video. This particular outfit is the TESSA t-shirt and backwards shorts set. It's the golden mustard, size 3X. It cost me $24.90, and it did come together. So the top and the bottom is a set, and I love how it feels on me. I love how it looks on me. Definitely is a vibe with that popping color. Now, I also added a plaid, black and white plaid shirt that I just tied around the waist just to give it a little more spice, okay? And then I had my black Steve Madden book bag, and I specifically got that bag for when I went to New Orleans, so that just gave it a little style. And I had my Dwayne Wayne flip-up glasses that I purchased in New Orleans as well, and my earrings from the Village, which is at Ponce City Market, which it says "Don't touch my hair," and that is on period. I had on the also white scrunchie socks that I get from my favorite black owned beauty supply store, and you know, nothing major with like necklaces or anything like that. Hair up in a cute little like falling over bun. So this first outfit, which is the periwinkle color, and that is a mixture of like a blue and a purple, and I styled this outfit very simple. This particular outfit, I wanted to just soften it up a little bit more because I'm definitely tomgirl chic, or should I say tomboy chic? I said tomgirl chic. I'm definitely a tomboy chic, so I like to dress a little rough around the edges, but a little bit of cuteness to it. And this one, I just wanted to just calm it down and to accentuate the actual outfit and that be the center of attention. So I did add. So with this outfit, I wanted to really bring out the color. So the flip-flops I got are from a cute little boutique in New Orleans at the Riverwalk Outlet Mall, and I do not know the name, as well as the earrings that match the shoes. The color of the outfit came out in the shoes and the earrings, so that's the reason why I matched those together. I kind of gave it the multicolor or the rainbow look. Then I paired it with a Michael Kors floral print crossbody bag that I got for Mother's Day, and that is of their spring collection. And I added the cute little satin bandana headband around the neck. Yes, I do wear my headbands around my neck to just give it a different look. It gives it a different bit of style. If you're into fashion, you know, you can really take something simple as a headband or a bandana and just, you know, make it pop. And so that's what I did with the satin bandana. And I got this satin bandana from Icing, I think. Yeah, I did. And so I paired it with my colorful frames that I've had for years, and I'm more than sure I got those for icings or clairs as well, because that's where I started like my whole frame collection. And it's just very simple. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I would wear this to, you know, soccer practice, take my daughter to soccer practice, or running out to therapy. I don't know if you know, but I do go to therapy, and I've been going to therapy for quite some time, and I'm an advocate for therapy. So this would be something cute I could just wear, because I'm just going to talk to, you know, my therapist, sit on the couch. I wear this to soccer. Just really cute. Let me throw this on. I want to be cute, but I don't want to overdo it. And this is what that outfit gives. So I really love the way it looked on me, the color on me, and it was very comfortable. So the next outfit, I actually split. I wanted to do something a little bit different with this outfit. I didn't want to put the two together, or should I say wear the top and the bottom together. I wanted to split them. So we're going to start with the shorts of this outfit. And it is the exact same material as the purplish color one. And that is where the fabric has, should I say, vertical indentions in it, which I loved so much. So what I did was I really wanted really sporty. I'm gonna be honest with you. I definitely had to make it as sporty as I could without it being like too tomboyish. So this right here is very cute and chic to me style. So I paired the mint color shorts with a long sleeve crew neck sweatshirt. Yes, you're like, why would you pair shorts and a sweatshirt? That is actually very stylish. It is trendy right now. So you want like a long sleeve top with short bottoms, or long bottoms with a short top. You gotta get into trends, people. This is how style works. I actually would wear this together. I want it very simple but statement jewelry pieces. So I normally do a layering thing, or have like multiple, you know, necklaces on. And here I did not want to do that. I just wanted my necklace to say one thing and one thing only, which was look at me. And that's exactly what this, I want to say, bedazzled necklace did for me. I also had the bedazzled earrings and the bedazzled glasses just to give it a complete look, and that's exactly what it gave. I had a simple black fitted hat I got from Meyer. The jewelry I got from different places. Let me see. That necklace I've had for years, and I can't even tell you where I got it from. Earrings, I can't remember where I got them from either, but it's a recent purchase. Not sure why, I don't remember. And I have my Yeezy Wave Runners on, and I got those on Yeezy Day. I actually would have preferred to have a gray crew neck sweatshirt, but I did not have that, so I had to go with what I had. This right here, I could travel in this. I would go to brunch in this. I would do shopping in this. As y'all see, I got my bags, Tiffany, Coach, Nike. Like, I would be so cute in this outfit, comfortable but fly. Okay, moving on to the last outfit. Now, the last outfit, I wanted to give a outfit that you could just wear anywhere. When I mean anywhere, I mean anywhere. Okay, and this outfit is giving first lady, stripper, teacher, side piece. Like, the list goes on. And I know you're like, why would you call yourself a stripper? I'm not calling myself a stripper. I'm saying with this outfit, you can be anybody you want to be, and nobody will know who you are. Okay, so I wanted to really dress it up to the point where you wouldn't be able to recognize the person wearing it. So I put my hair in a kind of top up, back down hairstyle that give it a different look. I also gave it 2 bangs, and this is kind of like the look I was going for. I gave it 2 bangs. I have my white frame glasses on from Shop Boga Boga. And also I forgot to say, the glasses I had on with the white crew neck is from Shop Boga Boga as well. I have the simple, very light, very petite, very elegant leather necklaces that have a little bit of rhinestone on it as well. And I want to bring out the gold. The earrings, they're a little bit bigger than I would have liked to wear, but they actually have a little bit of bedazzle on them as well. And I got those, I want to say, from Forman Mill in Chicago. The necklaces I got from Shein. And then this top is the matching bottom to the previous outfit. And when I say it fits so good on me, and I have a large chest, so it fits really good on me, and it is a size 3X. Now, these wide leg trouser pants I got from Ross in Tennessee, but it is a size 3X as well. Now these are high-waisted. It has 2 strings. You can tie in the front, tie in the back, or if you know, want to tuck them in the inside, if you want to cut them off, you could do that as well. I really love this outfit, and I put on my little auntie heels, and that's what I call them, and the heels are very petite. Then I add alligator inspired bag that I got from Burlington. I love this bag. Absolutely one of my favorite bags that is not designer. The whole look came together, and if you really look at the picture, the top does not match the pants, but it matches the pants. When you know, you know. But this entire look allows you to go to work, go to the grocery store, go to the strip club if you choose to, go, you know, wherever you need to go, all in a day's, you know, however you want to spend your 24 hours, this look gives you that. So this is a look for everybody. It doesn't matter the size. It doesn't matter how you look. It doesn't matter how you shape. This is a look for everybody. And that is the reason why I chose this look, because outside of the hair and, you know, unless you're like completely like low fade, bald, someone couldn't replicate this entire look and look really, really good. You know, I was gonna put some sneakers, I had to put some sandals, had to put my little auntie heels with them. Like, the list goes on how you can style these pieces. They're so simple but so spot on that you have to get them. All the information for Shop Truly Curvy Boutique will be in the description. When I'm buying clothes, buying shoes, if I cannot wear it multiple times, I cannot purchase it. And not because I don't want to, but because I don't want to. I do not want to buy anything where I'm going to wear once and give it away. That's not how I do. I like to be able to be versatile with my outfit, so this is why I separated the mint colored top and bottom. When you know, you know. Also, the mint colored top and bottom can be used as a lounge set as well, because it's the same as the purple one. Now, if you have not been here before, go right down there to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. And that's why you need to click the bell. That's turning your post notifications, because I also drop crazy bonus content, so you want to stay in the loop. I have another channel called Normalize Being Black. I show the day in the life of being a black wife, a black mom, and an amazing black woman. And if you're interested in that, that is in the description. Y'all, I'm forever Patra Denise. And y'all be sweet.